I have a shower head that is attached to a barrel. Inside the barrel there is water. Also inside the barrel you can't see very well. You can see a little bit. Right there is a pump which is connected by this power cable and pumping water out through here. From here, the water goes into an aquarium filter that has a UV light in it for sanitation. From the aquarium filter, it goes over to a water chiller that is currently running to cool down the water at 46 degrees right now, it says, the water that is coming in. And then from the water chiller, a slightly bigger pipe goes back out here, connects to the barrel, to this diverter that can direct water either to go straight in here or up to the shower. Like this. And back in here. Inside the barrel I also have a polar bear hanging out that will tell me the temperature inside the barrel. Looks about right at about 46 degrees as the chiller reports, about 8 degrees Celsius. So you can take the lid off, get in, flip the shower over your head, and not only be in the cold water submerged, you'll also have cold water dripping on your head for an even more complete experience of full coldness. Takes your breath away. I tried it this morning. It definitely is a different level than just a cold shower. Highly recommend it.